Hello everyone, my name is Mingbu. I'm from class 7C3. Today I'm going to discuss whether we should travel. And I will look at why traveling can be a great choice and challenge it brings. Firstly, traveling can improve your knowledge and social skill. Some research has shown that the more you travel, the more you learn. When you go somewhere, your brain will automatically ask some details or information about it, and even if you don't add it yourself. That's how our brain usually works. About social skill. When you travel, you will have to communicate more than usual. For example, you don't know much about the way, you may ask the locals, or you want to learn about history of Statue of Liberty, you may ask the tour guide. Therefore, you can build on your communication skill. Secondly, traveling can improve mental health. Research shows that spending time in nature and having enjoyment may improve your mental health, reduce stress, and boost up your happiness. On the other hand, traveling also have some problems such as getting lost, or missing flight. Therefore, I give you guys some solution for that by firstly, save up money. Secondly, arrange time and schedule or logically, or make a to-do list to make sure everything is done, or learning English. In conclusion, traveling is a great choice for all age, and everyone should have it once or twice a year. Uh, Traveling allow us to step outside our busy life, offer a new experience, and give us unforgettable memories.